If you are in the market for a compact smartphone, Nokia 6.1 Plus has everything you could ask for in an Android mid-ranger. What you most definitely can't ignore about the Nokia 6.1 Plus though are its merits that most consumers care about in a phone. Great design, stable performance, long battery life, capable cameras and pure software. I tried to live with the phone for a week and this is what I think about it. Nokia 6.1 Plus has the enduring appeal of Nokia's heritage, and it shows. The phone has an uncluttered look, a design that takes care of both classic styles and today's hottest trends. The back of this phone is glass, which is very popular right now. This phone also gets a notch, a small cutout above the screen. This is the first Nokia branded phone to have a notch. The front of the Nokia 6.1 Plus is dominated by its 5.8-inch LCD display, which has a full HD resolution and an aspect ratio of 19:9. The screen is bright, but colors don't pop up or feel vibrant. Nokia 6.1 is powered by a QUALCOMM Snapdragon 636 processor coupled with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal memory. Of course, you will find a microSD card slot that lets you add up to 400GB of space. Apps open quickly as they do on mid-range phones. I didn't run into any major problems with the performance on this phone. I was able to play games like Tekken and Super Mario run smoothly. But if you are an intense mobile gamer, you may want to go for a more powerful device like the Honor Play or OnePlus 6. Nokia 6.1 Plus is a part of Android One program, which means that the phone ships with stock Android. It currently runs on Android 8.1 OREO, but you can expect the phone to get Android Pie in the near future. Nokia 6.1 Plus has a dual camera setup on the back, comprising a 16-megapixel primary lens and a 5-megapixel secondary shooter. In bright light, I was able to capture good shots with excellent colors and details. In low light settings, photos tend to get grainy and washed out. Nokia 6.1 Plus camera is decent enough. I believe there are better phones available in the market with excellent cameras. The 16-megapixel front-facing camera performs as expected. Selfies look nice in good lighting, but the quality tends to fall in low light conditions. There's a 3060 mAh battery powering the Nokia 6.1 Plus. In our test, we had no problem getting a full day of use out of the phone. Nokia 6.1 Plus definitely is a smartphone worth checking out. The phone has all the features you would expect from a mid-range phone in 2018.